take what you've got, your assets are your energy, your assets are your willingness to just not be told no. The harder it is, the tougher it is, the bigger the challenge to get in, the bigger the opportunity behind. The opportunities behind are endless.
I cut too deep this time. I'll change your mind. Good morning, guys. You don't know it's your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! I want the damn. I want the damn. Good morning, guys. Today's Sunday morning. I'm on my way in town to take care of some business. You don't know we roll. Yeah, so this morning I have some stuff to take care of in town. I'm gonna deal with that very early. And then just maybe today, I didn't get to go to the next parish yesterday, but maybe today I do it after I finish in town. And Punky day I had to sleep. Today Sunday she had at church. I'm not going to church this morning, obviously. Damn, Melica. Yeah, so guys, I want to say shout out to that lady from New York that said she was inspired to lose 50 pounds, you know. That's such a great accomplishment. Morning. Great accomplishment, and that's what I live for, to inspire, to impact. So I'm saying something I'm just extra happy. I have a brighter smile and a bag of things, you understand? Yeah man, I'm happy. Yeah. What I'm gonna do on this channel, I'm gonna upload my before and after pictures from when I was a little bit overweight to now I'm slaying. You know, I'm always a slay still, you know, don't get that wrong. But yeah, always a slay. And it's very good to try as an individual. I always try to look for inspiration. Like when I started to work out and lose weight and whatever, you feel somebody obsessed, bro. Every day I'm on the internet, I look for a girl with the body what I want, the type of videos them will inspire you to go to the gym and work hard for crush it to get the body where you want. You have to get obsessed, you have to try to get inspired, you have to try to get motivated. My little son channel called Goldcast. Goldcast is a very great channel to listen to and subscribe to. Feed the mind with their stuff. They listen to TDJs. I'm telling you already, I'm telling you again. I listen to man like Tony Robbins. I listen to man like Steve Harvey. If you listen to Steve, you can't go wrong. Steve is my baby, I'm if you tell you. You understand? But listen to man like Jesus Christ of Nazareth. It's my first man I listen to and read the word. I listen to that the one day, I can't go wrong. I'm if you tell you. Yeah man. Yeah. So I'm just so happy and excited that Skylife is actually going where I want it to go, to the sky. You understand? And it's for us. Skylife is not just me. Skylife is my subscribers. Not my subscribers, my Skylifers. Skylife is you. Skylife is me. Skylife is everybody trying to work to be the best version of yourself. You know, try to impact or help somebody else to be the best version of themselves. You see me? That's something pretty deep. You understand? So yeah guys, try to motivate yourself, inspire yourself, you know, and a bag of things. So save nothing in my eye because things always in my eye. And when I play back a video, I say I can't put that up with my tiny eye. So I'm going to take them this morning. Hi. Why kiss up my lips, dream my eyes and kiss up my lips. Yeah, so that me I deal with that now when I get Gideon. Girl body. Yo. Sometimes I look at myself and I say, Melica, you this? Like really? Like I'm so proud of you. As I look at myself, I'm so proud of you, girl. I'm so proud of you. So when other people are rude, I say, I'm proud of you. I appreciate it, you know, but it don't really impact me as much because I'm proud of myself. I don't make it get to my head. Because I don't tell myself I'm proud of myself every single day already, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Punky tell me say she proud of me every day too. Not every day, sometimes she piss me off, but Punk always remind me, Melica, I'm proud of you. I try to impact Stephanie's life, Stephanie and Kim's life with the things that I know and I've learned. You understand? Up to last night, I tell him, say, guys, you can't measure success based on how you look, how much money you have, how much car you have, if you have a husband, if you have a wife. Success is not measured by that. Success is measured by how many lives you can impact as a person. You understand? Yeah, man, me give them a little motivational speech and sitting. Even if they don't want to hear me, still I tell them and they have to listen. You understand? Sometimes they behave as if they're not listening, but they're listening. So I have to tell them and I have to encourage them. You understand? So I'll see you morning. I will see you guys later. Talk to you. Hi guys, I'm by the countryside just chilling. I feel so tired though. So this is where I'm gonna spend my day. I'm gonna go to one of my other friends' house in a few. I'm gonna go to one of my other friends' house in a few. But I've just been chilling here from morning. Like because we live on the beach side down here, so the breeze is so cool. The view is so nice. I don't know say view nice already. And things, so that's what I'm doing now. That they washing bus out there so. But they start go and chillax. You know, today's a good day. Every day is a good day, you know. Why? Because you get the opportunity to start over. Not every day is gonna be up here, but every day is a good day because you get the beginning. You get opportunity to start over, fresh, on a new page. Yesterday instead I'm boring and I do nothing. Today you can wake up hype and active. I would have them. Yeah, so that's what I try to look for life. I don't try to worry too much about the things that are happening because everything that's supposed to happen is gonna happen anyways. I used to be a person that stressed myself so much. So much. I stress myself so much. I understand what real stress means. Sometimes we say we stress and we're not even really stressed. So I'm not even worry myself because we've been in a position where we're really stressed and can't talk. And now I understand. When I walk up and down and say I'm stressed or I can't bother. I walk up and down and say I'm happy and grateful. That's just what I do, bro. So yeah guys, I'll see you later on. I don't know if I'll be vlogging when I go to my other location, but you'll see. You tell me you love me, I ain't not feeling it lately. Looking so fly, get me from looking so crazy. Waking up 6 in the morning. Where you been, where you been? Who is that texting your phone? Just a friend, yeah. My intuition never lie. I didn't deny. Already got the screenshot, so there is no need to deny. And you never lose me. I ain't being faithful. You ain't got me on lockdown. I ain't, you're not stable. Oh no, all I gotta do, give you a taste of your own medicine. Oh yeah. Anyways guys, but yeah, I think I'm alright now. I'm trying to get something. I need to go up to the desk here. I'm trying to get something in here so that I can go, but I can't locate it. Hold 1 minute please. Okay, so I was directed to where I'm supposed to get the stuff, so I'm gonna go and get it now. After I leave here, I'm going home. I'm back people look for open up business. Yeah. So give me a minute again. So guys, I am through with what I was looking for. I didn't get through. I'm leaving here now. I'm actually at Mega Mart, guys. Mega Mart Montego Bay. Stuff. Did I tell you that today is Sunday? Today is Sunday. So I went to look for my dad and stuff. Wonder where in park now. Alright. I will talk to you guys later. So guys, I'm at Fontana now. When I come back, I have you guys see my outfit. Damn, Melica. Yeah, I try to get something, but I checked some other places and they don't have it. So I'm checking here now to see if they have it in stock. And stuff. And you're very chilly though. Today was just a chill day for me. I'll buy one next brush. May I try get this makeup brush thing correct, cause I don't know so many of this makeup put on, cause every time I put makeup on my skin I break out really bad. So when I do put on my foundation and so I have to be very mindful of how I clean it off and stuff like that, because I will easily break out. I break out very easy. Where is the thing? Like Jamaica needs to have their own like Amazon. Like Jamaica, that's a good business idea in America. Why you not create it? Like we can order anything online and it shipped to us or whatever, but then we would have to regulate our postal system so that each number is correct with a particular address. You understand? Yeah, because we won't be able to ship at houses because first and foremost you read them bad, and then we don't have lot numbers for all the houses in Jamaica. So oh boy, hold on there. I will talk to you guys later. Maybe I end the vlog here. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys. Well, that is my outfit of the day with my split. Come on somewhere. People don't run me to them place. Outfit of the day, my favorite slippers, my jacket because man's not hot. That's me. Anyways guys, later.